From highways to high-rises, every great structure begins with a survey. Welcome to Delta Surveyors Academy, Pakistan's trusted platform for career-building skills in topographic surveying and mapping. Join our certificate courses. Topographic Surveyor course, 6 months. Mapping and Drafting course, 6 months. We also offer short course for professionals already in topographic survey field like Topographic Survey Equipment course such as Leveling, 2 weeks Total Station, 2 weeks GPS, 2 weeks Mapping and Drafting short courses as Civil 3D and AutoCAD for surveyors, 2-month Remote Sensing, GIS and Mapping Techniques, 2 months. All courses are affiliated with the Sindh Board of Technical Education. We have internationally qualified trainers for theory, practical, and on-job training. We believe in hands-on learning. Our field training prepares you to work with real equipment and real data. Our students don't just learn, they launch careers. Surveying isn't just about maps. It's about building the future with precision and purpose. We offer limited seats in every batch to focus on each student. Don't miss your chance. Enroll now and map your way to success. Reach us through call, WhatsApp, email, or visit us.